Hello students of DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Dear students, let us read today one interesting story. The title of the story is The Wrong Kind of Help by Vinay Bharat. There were two best friends, Ahanvi and Shanvi. The little girl studied together in class 1. Bright-eyed Ahanvi excelled in her studies, while the creative Shanvi loved to paint, but did not care for her studies. One day, their class teacher, Miss Soreng, conducted a quiz. Can anyone name the different colors of the rainbow? Asked the teacher. Ahanvi quickly raised her hand. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, she answered. That's right, Ahanvi. Come up to the front, please, said Miss Soreng. The class clapped. The teacher congratulated Ahanvi for answering correctly and gave the little girl a hug. Now, Shanvi, who watched all this, felt jealous. When Ahanvi returned to her seat, she saw Shanvi sulking. This puzzled Ahanvi. What is the matter, Shanvi? She asked. I will not share my lunch with you from now on, said Shanvi, tearing up. Nobody loves me, not even you, Shanvi sobbed. Surprised, Ahanvi exclaimed, That's not true. You are my best friend. Shanvi continued to cry. Don't be sad. Please don't cry, or else I will cry too, pleaded Ahanvi, now in tears. However, Shanvi ignored her plea. It's true. Why else would you not share your answers with me during the exam? Said Shanvi crying. Ahanvi understood why Shanvi was upset. Very well, she agreed. This time I will share all my answers with you. That is a promise. Now please cheer up, smiled Ahanvi. Shanvi stopped crying. The girls looked at each other's tear-stained faces and giggled. All was well again with the two best friends. Now, the second term exams were fast approaching. This time, Ahanvi put in a lot of efforts in preparing for the exams. Her mother, Rita, was happy to see her daughter work hard. Little did she know that Ahanvi's effort was because she promised to help Shanvi in the upcoming exam. The exact opposite happened at Shahanvi's home. Relaxed Shanvi did not bother studying for the exam. Her mother Geeta was worried about her daughter's careless approach for her exams. The day of the examination arrived. Both the girls reached the exam hall. Miss Soreng handed out the question paper. As soon as Ahanvi saw it, she was thrilled. She knew all the answers. Happily, she quickly began writing down her answers. But Ahanvi had promised Shanvi that she would help her, and Shanvi was a slow writer. Soon, Shanvi kept interrupting Ahanvi, asking her to slow down, as she found it hard to write quickly. The final bell rang. The exam was over. All the students submitted their answer sheets. Since Ahanvi had to slow down to let Shanvi copy, She lost out on precious time. The hard-working girl could not complete her paper, leaving it 2 answers short. Feeling terrible, Ahanvi cried. She went home sadly. Meanwhile, Shanvi was happy. She had managed to copy all Ahanvi's questions and was sure of getting a good rank. Finally, the results were declared. Both their mothers, Rita and Geeta, were called to collect their respective report cards. Rita was surprised to learn that her daughter, Ahanvi, a topper, managed to secure a third rank in the exam, while Geeta, Shanvi's mother, was surprised that her daughter, despite not putting in any effort, shared the third rank with Ahanvi. The mothers, who were also good neighbors, chatted. They soon realized what had happened. They called Ahanvi aside. She was crying because of her results. With a little coaxing, she shared the entire incident. Geeta called her daughter over, apologized to Ahanvi. What you did was wrong, she said. She then turned to teary-eyed Ahanvi. My child, never do that again. Cheating is a crime, and to let another cheat is also a crime. Your actions, instead of making her successful, will set her up for failure in life. She will never know her weakness and will never work hard to improve it. This sort of blind love will make her dependent on others for life. It will handicap her. If you really love your friend, share your books, knowledge, everything, but before the examination, advised Auntie Geeta. She added, be firm in life, Anvi, and do not sway from the right path. Rita, who was listening to all of this, had tears in her eyes. The little girls realized their mistake. They hugged each other, and from then on, both Ahanvi and Shanvi worked hard in their studies together. So, my dear students, you also study very hard for your exams. Here we end today's story. Thank you.